Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today here on YOUCANIC, this is your motor that controls your window regulator. Say you've done your diagnosis and it comes out to be this motor. The biggest thing you're going to need to do is you would remove the window, and that's another place, but you would remove the window to release all of the weight and the pressure on this, or have it all the way down. But if it's just the motor and it's all the way down, and you've come to the conclusion it's definitely the motor and not the window regulator, this is easy to be replaced. You don't have to go ahead and take the whole door panel off. You can literally do this right here. Undo these 3 bolts. Which are a T25. And you just go ahead and remove that and buy a new one, and you put it back on in the same manner. Being that nothing has changed and it hasn't spun out, we would just you take your new one, put it back on, make sure you've got this gear on there. You could also check that this gear didn't wear out, and if it does, you still, I think, have to replace the whole thing. Or if it was this gear, then it would be the whole window actuator deal, or the window regulator that you would have to replace, because it's all one unit. But then you just put it back, take your new one and put it back on, and just tighten the 3 bolts back up. And that's how you'd replace your window regulator. You've already put your bolts, hooked it all back up. Just go ahead and plug your electrical connector back in there, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.